Hey yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to name TechPad. Okay, you need this the tools you need unfill and your spawn. Okay, this slime, this and use this. Okay, and use this slime and okay, you name what I gonna call it. Okay, if you play in Minecraft. Okay, there's a code in that thing. In that of that. Okay, if you wanna use in Minecraft version 13, you need to use MCP Master. You can download in Google Play Store or an App Store. I use Minecraft version 14. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like it. Please like, share, and subscribe if you enjoy. Please smash that like button and see you guys next in my video. Goodbye.